Hello everyone, this is a 1954 Chevy Corvette. This is where the Corvette gets started. Right after 19, I thought it was a 63, it's a 60. I thought it was a 53, it's a 54. Look at the taillights. Got the rounded taillights. Wow. Check this out. This is the first ever Vette, man. Well, you have to offer. This is the one. This is a car for you. Can't see this taillights. The taillights is like this headlights is like a gated. That looks cool. This is where the Corvette all started. The C1. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. The white wall tires. Corvette. So cool. It all comes down to this. First ever Vette, man. Wow. This is so beautiful. That's really sick. That's really looks gorgeous on that car. Really. Yeah, this is a beauty right here. 1964.
You like that one? Mommy can have that one? Tell Daddy. And then just you and me, and only it's two, just you and me insisting.
This is a beauty right here.
I like that one.
Wow.
You like this one?
This is beauty right here. Sign it on.